Hey everyone, welcome back to another DIY video with Fame Ebong, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to make soap. You see this wonderful soap out here? I'll teach you guys how to produce it and how to use this our improved soap mold. So just watch this video, stay glued to your phone screen and enjoy. Make sure you keep your notes and your pen to take down and jot down important points. So let's go straight into our production process. Over here is my work table. When you're making soap, you need to make sure that you are fully protected. Your hand gloves and your eye goggles should be in place. Your hand gloves protect you from harsh chemicals. Your eye goggle protect your eye from any harsh chemical. You have to make sure that safety is checked. The soap making method I'll be using is the cold process method, which is the most popular method in every soap making. Majority of soap makers use this method. It's called the cold process. This is my palm kernel oil. This is 2000 grams of palm kernel oil that I'm using. So make sure you have your digital scale so that you will know the weight of your chemicals or the ingredients you'll be using. A digital scale will help you know the weight of each of your chemicals. So the first thing you want to be doing is to warm your oil. That's why I'm putting it in this stainless steel or stainless container. I want to warm the oil. I'm going to use my electric stove. You just simply put the oil on fire or on any heat source and make sure that the temperature of your oil is warm. It shouldn't be hot, but just warm. Then this is our caustic soda. I'm making use of 334 grams of caustic soda. Measurement is very important in soap making. Don't neglect measurement. Our water is 690 grams. I'm going to dissolve the caustic soda into the water. Whenever you dissolve caustic soda in water, you need to take note of this. The temperature of the water rises. The water becomes very hot. I mean extremely hot. That's because of the chemical reaction between water and caustic soda. This reaction can lead to something that is very corrosive. This heat can burn your hand. So that's why I put on my hand gloves. You can see the fumes coming out. So we have to wait for the temperature of this our caustic soda mixture to cool down. And in order to cool down faster, for it to cool down faster, you put it in another water like this. Over here is the soap mold we'll be using for this soap production. This mold is produced by us, the famous product industry or the famous skincare. We produce this beautiful mold. This mold, you can actually dismantle it like this. You can dismantle it. You can see how it is. This is very easy to use, and this mold is very durable due to the nature of how it was produced. So you can see how I'm dismantling it. If you need this mold, you reach us on WhatsApp to purchase it. It's just 10,000 naira. It's very affordable. So you can see how I'm arranging it back. I'm putting the nylon inside first, then I'll put the tarpaulin material next. The next thing I want to do is to fix the wood into each of their slots. So with this method, it makes this soap mold last for a long time because of the way it can be dismantled. This is a very durable production. So you're going to see how I'm going to use this mold to make the soap. You're going to love this mold, trust me. If you purchase it, you're going to use it for a long time without it getting bad. This can take you for years due to its nature of how it was produced. You can see how I'm assembling the parts back again. You can see this is very easy to use. It's not hard, very easy. So you will see how I'll use it in this our production. If you need this mold, reach us on the phone number displayed on the screen. We deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send this mold to you. This mold produces 18 tablets of soap. Alright, so back to business. By this time, our caustic soda solution has cooled down and our oil is warm. You can see it is placed on the electric stove. It is warm. I'm going to pour it into our mixing container and production has begun. So just watch and see how I produce this soap using very few ingredients. You know, most people make their soap and they add a lot of complicated ingredients. I'm actually one of those soap makers that when I'm making soap, I use very few ingredients so that soap making will look very simple in your eyes. You will not see all those complicated chemicals. Simple ingredients. Just see, I poured my caustic soda into the oil and I'm stirring it. I'm mixing it. Then the next thing I want to be adding is my color. You can use any color of your choice. Any color that is appealing to your eye, you add it. So I'm adding my color bit by bit. I don't want to add too much. I'm adding bit by bit. So after the color, what I'll be adding next is the fragrance. The fragrance I'm using is a mixture of lemon and orange to give you a very nice and strong smell. Lemon and orange, that's the mixture I'm using. Now the next thing is to pour it into our beautiful soap mold that is produced in my company, Famous Products Industries. So if you need this equipment, do well by reaching us on WhatsApp. Then also I organize online classes just in case you want to join my class and learn how to make the body soap, the laundry bar soap, the body cream, the liquid soap, the powder detergent, the hypo, the Dettol. There's a lot you will learn in my online class. You even learn how to make soap like a pro. You will learn how to take measurements by yourself in soap making. For those of you that don't know how to take measurements, you'll be taught all that at my online class. If you have issues reaching me through the link, you can chat me up on WhatsApp through this phone number displayed here. Reach me on WhatsApp to join our training classes. There you will learn a lot. You will learn how to make a lot of productions. So you can see over here I am fixing or assembling the parts of this mold again. You can see this is very easy to use. This method helps this mold to last for a very long time. So you can purchase this mold from us and use it for years because of how it is produced. You can see very easy to use, no stress, no complication, very easy to use. With this you can have 18 tablets of soap. If you buy more of these molds, you can have more tablets of soap. So you can see it is very affordable, just 10,000 naira. You will have something as unique as this, something that you can dismantle and you can assemble again. You can see. So we're going to keep this for 24 hours. Whenever you make soap, you have to cover it so that whitish substance will not form on top of your soap. If you are a soap maker and you used to make soap, you will notice that if you keep your soap exposed, you will notice whitish stains on top of your soap. So I've covered it. After 24 hours, this is the result. You can see the color of the lemon has really come out. It's looking bright lemon. This is beautiful. I'm going to be taking this out of the mold. You can choose to stamp it. After taking it out of the mold, you can choose to use your trimmer to make it look more beautiful. You can use your whatsoever device you have to improve the quality and the appearance of your soap. You use it. Use your stamp and use your trimmer. Use your groove maker to improve the appearance of your soap. We have all those equipment. We sell stamps, we sell soap trimmers, we have soap cutters, whatsoever soap equipment you need. Do well by chatting us up. We will supply those equipment. We will send them to you to whatsoever location you are in Nigeria. We will send it down to you. So you can see how beautiful this our soap looks like. And you can see how comfortable this our soap mold that we produced is. You can use this mold at the comfort of your home without any stress. You can see I'm taking this soap one after the other out of the mold. This is very good to use. You will enjoy this mold if you buy it, trust me. With this mold you don't even need a cutter. This one will cut the soap into several tablets. You can see how I'm dismantling the woods. I'm sending them, keeping and removing them out. Once you are done, you simply wash the wood, wash everything and use the mold again. I mean, you can reuse the mold after washing it, because after night it looks dirty. So you just wash it, then you use it again for another production. So thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video, share it with your friends. There are people that want to watch lucrative videos like this that will help them have a skill. So share these videos with your friends. Do well by liking Do well by dropping your comment, and also don't forget to join our training classes, and also don't forget to purchase your soap equipment from us. Goodbye and have a lovely day.